growth curve this fiscal. Chief Minister Conrad today attended the annual Behdeinkhlam festival of Sein, Raij, Mukhla, the last Behdeinkhlam of the session. In the morning, the Thingkain Kong was performed at Yung Blai, Yung Langdo, followed by Cho Tindai with Deng Waliar, U Langdo and other elder members who offered ritual for the Aim Khlam and Ram Shalong. Later in the day, the festival concluded at Bear in the presence of Chief Minister. He was accompanied by MLA Jirang Sostenus Sotun, along with Joai MLA Wailat Miki Shilla, JHDC CEM Thombor Shivat and others. The festival witnessed the participation of the Nyamtre believers from Mukhla village and nearby localities.
And therefore today it gives me extreme pleasure and joy and happiness to be here amongst all of you, to be able to celebrate the Behdeinkhlam festival, to be here to celebrate our culture, to celebrate the faith, and to celebrate the identity of the people of our state. I'm happy to announce that along with the Honorable MLA, my Wailat Miki Shilla, we will ensure that this place is renovated and necessary funds will be given to improve and to renovate this place of worship.